Hello guys, I'm back again, and today I will answer the most asked question to me right now, that which course you should opt for, the new course or the old course. I'm going to give you my take on this as a CA finance student, and not like any other teachers who may or may not be biased about their subject. So let's begin. Yes guys, so I have decided to differentiate between three attempts which are the most crucial ones: May 18, November 18 and May 19. If I talk about May 18, see, definitely you should opt for old course because the syllabus is not yet out, and even if the syllabus is out in a month or so, the teachers who would be teaching the particular subjects would be requiring some amount of time to get hold of the syllabus. So I guess that would be really difficult and almost impossible, I'd say. So May 18 is obviously appearing for old course, and you guys would be having November 2, 4, 5 attempts to clear CA final, I think, which are more than enough. So for May 18, it's the old course. And for November 18 students, I have a very simple advice for you guys. Most of the students which I have talked to have done one or two of subjects, for example FR or SFM, and now they are in this middle crisis that they should opt for the new course or old course. I'd say, given from now June, right? So if we count it from now, you have less than a year, more than a year left. But you have almost 8 subjects to cover. If I include FR and SFM again, you would be revising and stuff. So you have a year for 8 subjects whose syllabus is not even out yet, and the teachers are yet to study that, and they'll just launch the batches, and you will enroll in that, and you will study, and then you will revise, and that that requires a lot of time. So my recommendation would be that you should opt for old course and continue with that, and you would have around 4 attempts to clear CA final, which are, I guess, more than enough, and you should go for that, because I don't think in a year a person can just complete all the 8 syllabus, all the 8 massive syllabus, and just revise them also and practice everything. There are certain new concepts and new topics being introduced. Even with the existing concepts, some new questions would be added, for which teachers would take time to understand, and so that would be a problem for November 18. Either you can delay your attempt for May 19, then you can opt for a new course. Otherwise, if you want to appear in November 18, then I'd say go for old course. And regarding the reputation and stuff, the things which are hovering around, that old CAs would lose their values and some sort of stuff like that. See, just think about the simple fact that the CAs who are already working, they won't become automatically outdated, right? So they are working at good positions. They have even more knowledge than a new course CA final student. So we can upgrade ourselves anytime. And one other thing, many teachers are saying that this is a course which is oriented towards specialization just because of the elective subject being introduced. I completely agree with that. But if you are just taking a new course just for the sake of this thing, then I think that is a big bet to take it right now, because why do you have to focus so much on the specialization at the CA final level, which is itself such a big hassle? Clearing CA final is a big thing. So I think Institute has post-qualification courses in these areas, which Institute has now included in the CA final syllabus. The syllabus, the subjects like international taxation, financial markets, and other areas. So Institute has almost combined those post-qualification courses with the CA final syllabus. So I'd recommend that if you're doing it for the specialization and the other things which other teachers are saying, I think you should not do that, and opt for the syllabus which is appropriate for you, because you can do that post-qualification easily. There would be no pressure on your mind to clear the exams. So I'd say that just keep keep away from these ideas, keep yourself away from these areas, and you should appear for your old syllabus for November 18, I'd say that. And for May 19, undoubtedly you are going to give the new course. So don't go for the old course. obviously there is something new, there would be new concepts and you would be updated. So if your attempt is in May 19 or you're the November 18, people are going to delay their attempt, have decided to delay their attempt, then obviously you should go for the new attempt. New is always better, but there's no problem with the old course. I have studied the old course. I have just given my CA final exam, so I won't be outdated, you know. So you can just don't think about those stuff. Teachers in the market are biased. Some may be, some may not be. So they have their own subjects, and they always, you know, obviously would want people to offer new course so they, you know, just can expand their businesses, and they should do that. So that's their work, and you should take your decision. So that's my take on this, and that's my personal review. I am a CA final student, so I can tell you that what is the difference, and I have, you know, just experienced that. So I'll be coming up with more such questions which needs to be answered. So if I'll receive some more mails and some other questions, I'll be coming up with that. So bye bye, all the best for your exams, and just keep studying and work hard. Bye bye.